Welcome! In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, simply hold your power button right at the top. When you see your boot options, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna do it while holding it. It's gonna be a little bit easier. So power and volume up. When you see the HUAWEI logo, which should be right about now, you can let go of the power key, keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode for Harmony OS. In here, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, for some reason, update mode is not accessible to us. It just skips over it. But anyway, we have a restart, which just takes us back to Android. We have clear data, which actually includes factory reset and wipe cache partition. And obviously, last option is safe mode. So there we go, those are all the options. I'm gonna stick with the first one, restart, confirm it, and this will take me back to Harmony OS. And as you can see, we are now back. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.